computer vision or visual AI deployment at the edge is accelerating rapidly. The adoption of edge AI based computer vision is fueled by rapid improvements in deep learning, processors, sensors, tools, and platforms. With VisAI Labs being an early player in this market, over the last few years, we have seen the following factors drive the move of computer vision from the realms of academia to commercial deployments. Some of these factors include machine learning and or deep learning. Over the last few years, we have seen a maturity in the deployment of DL and ML frameworks, which has allowed us to do almost real-time AI for computer vision algorithms. With DL frameworks like TensorFlow, Keras, PyTorch, and Caffe, the market product builders no longer need to focus on creating their own frameworks or neural network topology. They just have to identify the best algorithm and tune it to their application. The second reason for increasing adoption of edge-based computer vision is the availability of large volumes of data. Over the last 20 years, since the advent of the internet, we have been collecting data in the form of text, images, and videos. Over the last half a decade, the processing power has also become large enough to help us structure this data and make sense out of it. This easy availability of data has allowed us to create powerful ML models, which are currently trained for the most basic of use cases. Alongside algorithm implementation, optimization, and software integration with hardware, dataset curation and annotation is also one of the biggest challenge areas in creating a computer vision solution, which can be easily used by product developers. The third factor which is driving fast adoption of computer vision is the advent of relatively low cost and, most importantly, energy efficient hardware. Be it the market leaders like Nvidia, Jetson, Xilinx, Intel, or even Google Coral, the proliferation of powerful deployable edge devices has made it easier to build computer vision solutions on the edge. Finally, one of the most important factors that drove edge adoption is the proliferation of cloud. Yes, the increase in cloud adoption has actually led to the proliferation of edge. This so-called hybrid model envisions training the ML model on the cloud and pushing the trained model onto the edge. In addition, cloud also helps in management of hundreds, if not thousands, of these deployed edge devices. The combination of these four factors is one of the main reasons why computer vision has become deployable in the edge. It also makes economic and social sense to move to the edge. The five major so-called blurb factors which I keep talking about include bandwidth. That is, it's really difficult to ship a 4K video from 50 cameras to the cloud to do computation every single second. Secondly, latency. Most AI-based applications require real-time insights for fast decision making. Usage of cloud as processing and inference engine just takes up way too much time. Thirdly, it's economics. It is far cheaper to have an edge device rather than a combination of a cloud plus edge inference engine. The fourth most important concept is the concept of reliability. Getting inference done within the device is far more reliable than, let's say, depending on multiple factors such as network, cloud, etc. to get your processing done. Finally, privacy. People just do not like it when we record videos of them and their belongings and send it across the web. Also, laws and regulations are slowly prohibiting this as well. It is just easier to process the videos on the edge and just send the metadata across to the cloud for analytics. So, computer vision is all the rage right now, but then there are still many challenges in making computer vision ready for the commercial world. The main problems include the right data, choosing the right processor or camera. Because of I previously shared, there's an overwhelming range of choice in components, as well as you have understanding the right methodology to build these robust solutions. That is, as an edge product development specialist, we have to understand it's not just about building trained DNNs anymore. Also, all this said and done, one of the main problems computer vision on edge product development specialists have to avoid is the reinvention of the wheel and making sure the products are built and deployed in the given time. At VisAI Labs, as trained Edge AI and product development specialists, we understand the major moving parts within Edge AI services and help enterprises incorporate edge-based computer vision solutions into their products faster, thereby decreasing the time and the risk taken to go to market. We have done this by building a repository of pre-built tunable algorithms around people, vehicle, and face detection and tracking, in addition to expertise in Nvidia deepstream SDK. Where most firms I've worked with had a problem either in hardware selection, that is choosing the right processor or camera, or had problems in software development and integration during the product development phase. In software, the problems ranged from optimizing the algorithms for a particular processor, porting the AI models to the edge. In addition, we also faced a lot of problems in training the AI model and improving accuracy. As most of the product developers who are working on solving this problem are themselves in the R&D phase, working with someone who understands this saves them cost and time. So the best way forward to test your hypotheses, feature viability, platform feasibility, etc., is by going through a fast 4 to 6 week POC cycle. This is exactly where VisAI Labs can help you with. We have helped many customers reduce their POC development time by using our ready-to-deploy POC kits, which have a combination of right-fit processor, camera, and the requisite algorithms tunable to your specific use case. Let's understand this. The golden age of computer vision and edge AI is now. We are at the end point of a culmination of more than half a century of research and longing. VisAI Labs can help you make your leap. Connect with us to understand more on edge AI and how we can help you incorporate edge-based computer vision into your products. We are reachable either at www.visailabs.com or sales@visailabs.com. So guys, thank you for tuning in into yet another episode of our podcast, Unraveling Computer Vision and Edge AI for the Real World. This is Alphonse signing off. Ciao.